Hello students, today we are going to learn about faces, edges and the corners. So here what this girl is saying, the outside of a solid is called its face. Okay, this is the solid shape and outside. So this is the outside area and this is called as a face. So when we count it, that time we will get the sides means faces of the each solid object. Then what this boy is saying, two faces meet to make an edge. When these two faces will meet, then we will get this type of edge. This is called as a edge. Okay, and these are the corners. Here in the cone shape, this is the flat surface and the face we will get, but here we won't get because it is here we will get the curved face. We will get the curved face, and the bottom of this will be flat face of this cone, and this point, the peak of the cone, we call it as a vertex. Next is for the sphere shape, we will get the curved face. We will get the curved face. So for example, this ball, so is a sphere and the shape of the sphere will be the circle. But when we are going to see its face, so we will get the not the flat face, but it will be the curved face. Here you see this is the curved face. Even for the one example I will give you for the rectangle. This is the box, one of the box, and it has the rectangle shape. But how many corner does it has? How many faces and how many edges, that we are going to count. So this box, it has one, this is the flat surface, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It has 6 faces. So now next is how many corners does it has? 1 2 3 4, and down also 5 6 7 8. It has 8 corners. Now how many edges are there for this shape, solid shape? So here we are going to see what the instruction I told you. When the two faces will meet, we will get the edge. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. We will get the 12 edges. So similarly here for each shape they have given the faces, edges and the corner or the vertex. So this is the cube. When you will get the cube, so that time we can see the how many faces here for the cube. 6 faces, as same as a rectangle. So edges 12 and the corner 8. So now we saw the a live example of the rectangle, means cuboid. That time we have counted 6 faces, 12 edges and the 8 corners. But when you go to the sphere shape, that time you will get the single face, and that also will be not the flat face. it will be curved face. But when you see the edges, does the spare has any edge? Here no, because it has the curved this face. So, and not more than one, so we cannot get, when the two faces will make one edge we will get. Here no any other face, so we won't get the edge. Even it doesn't has any corner or the vertex, because it has the, everywhere we will get the curved shape. From here, if we go from here, we will get the curved face, only the curved face. When we go to the corner cone, we will get the two faces. How? This one is curved face here, and here down it will be the flat face. So we will get the two faces, but the edge we will get the single edge by one side. If you count by here also, we will get the single edge. And for this, here the peak of this, we call it vertex, we will get a single vertex. Next is, we will move to the cylinder shape. So how many faces does it has? Here one face, this is the second face, and this is the third face. But here we will get the curved face for the cylinder shape, and this is the flat face, and this is also the flat face. So here three faces we will get. How many edges then? So we will get the two edges. When two faces will meet from here to here, so here we will get the two edges. Then the corner and the vertex, it doesn't have any corner and the vertex, so the number of the corner and vertex will be the 0.